Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals and some sea animals. Let's learn some land animals' name and some sea animals. Are you ready? Let's start. First we learn some sea animals' name. Octopus. This is octopus. A sea turtle. This is a sea turtle.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
The next one is a seahorse. This is a seahorse.
With a here and a there, here.
The next one is a shark. This is a shark.